when you take my hand. Salt on our skin, time slipping like sand. We dive together, no words to say, just heartbeat dancing where the light turns gray. Every breath slows, every fear is gone, floating between the night and dawn. Your eyes shine blue like the open sea, and my skin trembles every time you're close to me. Down below, where silence sings, I feel the truth in simple things. My skin gets goosebumps when we're underwater, wrapped in the tide like son and daughter of the sun. Love moves slow in the ocean's arms. At sunrise we ride, safe from all harm. This moment feels like forever begun. Your hair flows free like a living flame. The sea remembers every name. We kiss beneath the breaking light, between the dark and morning bright. No past behind us, no future ahead. Just now, just us, just what's never said. If life had a meaning, I'd swear it's this. Salt on your lips, a timeless kiss. My skin gets goosebumps when we're underwater, hearts beating slow like waves on the border of time. Love is pure in the ocean's blue. At sunrise I'm born again with you. This perfect moment feels divine. With your hand in my hand,